Hello and welcome to our sixth lesson. We are still in the conversion of number bases, and in the previous lessons, in the fourth and fifth lessons, we converted a number in base 2 to base 10, and then we converted that number. What the result of that conversion, we converted it back to base 2, and we saw that the conversions to base 10 are used by multiplications. We use long multiplications with powers, and in the conversions from base 10 to other bases, we use the long division method. And we've converted in base 2 to base 10. We've also converted a base 5 number to base 10. And now we are going to do the last example, which is a conversion from octal, or conversion from base 8 to base 10. And this is it: 7, 6 in base 8. 76 in base 8. So we said we'll write down the number 7, 6, and then at the top we'll write down the powers 0 and 1. You don't have to do this, but it's just for you to remember very well, and then to make sure that you are doing the right thing. So 0 and 1 at the top. So we write the 7 and multiply by what base are we using? We want to convert to base 10. Don't forget, this base, we want to convert this number in base 8 to base 10. So that's why we are multiplying by the base 8. So I'm going to write base 8. What is the power? The power is 1. So raised to power 1. Plus this 6 now. 6 times base, the base we are working with is base 8. Raised to power, this power 0. So 7 times 8 raised to power 1 is 8, because it means 8 in one place. So 8 raised to power 1 is 8. Plus 6 times 8 raised to power 0. We said any number raised to power 0. I'm still repeating this thing. Anything raised to power 0 is 1, because students usually forget and make mistakes, and then the results they get, or the answers they get, become very different from the marking scheme. So 8 raised to power 0 is 1. So that's why I'm writing 1. So 7 times 8 here is 56. Then plus 6 times 1 is 6. So our answer is going to be 62. So that's it. We have converted 76 in base 8, and now it's 62 in base 10. So now we want to convert this number back to base 8. We want to convert back to base 8. So in summary, what we do is conversion to base 10, we use multiplication, and conversion to other base, from, if we are converting from base 10, from base 10 we use long division method. So any number that is in base 10, we want to convert it to another number, we use the long division method. But when the number is different and we want to convert to base 10, we use this method. So now that we want to convert this 62 to base 10, to prove that we are going to get the 76, we are going to use the long division method, and it's going to be this way. So we said if we are converting, we write down the number, this is 62. Then 62. Then the base we are converting to is 8. So I'm going to write 8. So that's it. 62 divided by 8. 62 divided by 8 is 8 in 62, meaning it's 7 times. Remainder 6. 8 will go into 62 7 times, and the remainder will be 6. Then you write the 8 again. 8 into 7 is not possible, so we write a 0. Remainder, this 7, don't forget, we'll bring it down. So sorry, 7. So we said whenever we have a 0 here, we are going to stop, and then rule our line from the bottom to the top to show that we are writing our numbers from the bottom. So it's 7 and 6. So 7 to 6. So we write base 8, because it's in base 10 here, and now we've converted to base 8, and now so the answer is 76. So you can see that whatever you are given, you have to look at the number and then do the conversion. Conversion from a number that is not base 10, conversion from any number to base 10. Any number to base 10, we are going to use this method. And then conversion from base 10 to any number, you are going to use this method. So you are going to write the number you are converting to here, and then this is the number you are converting, and the number you are converting to. So you write the base, sorry, not the number you are converting to, the base you are converting to. So you write it down. Then you begin to divide till you reach 0. Then write the number from the bottom to the top, and then that's going to be your answer. So in our next lesson, we are going to discuss hexadecimal numbers. So make sure you revise these ones as many times as possible. Thank you and goodbye.